everyone. So this is my garland decoration, and it was quite a fun video to film because I actually filmed an Instagram live whilst I was filming on YouTube. I had the ring light set up and the tripod for my camera, and I filmed an Instagram live as well. So you'll see me rabbiting on and on and on and on throughout the video, but it was because I was talking on the live as well as decorating the garland. So I just thought it would be a little bit of fun, and I challenged myself really to do something a little bit different, and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I hope that you're really enjoying this video. I hope that you're all well and that you've had a good week. As you all know, I'm in Ireland while you're watching this, and yeah, I can't wait for you to see the finished look of my garland. There's 1,000 lights on that garland because I love a nice bright twinkly garland, so there's 1,000 on there. Obviously you don't need that many. I probably had too many, and you know, as you've seen, I went over the garland 3 times I think it was with lights, but they're from B&M and they weren't expensive, and they are in white. They're not daylight, they're in the white. I think they're called cool white. And then the blush pink baubles were from Inspirations, and you can get them in a box. I think each box may have 6 in or something like that. Then the little white snowflakes, they're also from Inspirations. They were 59p each. The poinsettias on the ends of the garlands were from Home Bargains, which you will see in my Home Bargains tour that's coming up soon. They were £1.50 and they're absolutely lovely. The one that goes in the middle of the garland, which you'll see shortly, was £8 from Tasker's, and they are exactly the same. There's no difference whatsoever. The little tall white Christmas tree that you can see stood on the fireplace, that was also from Home Bargains, and that was £1.49. Coming along lovely, isn't it? I'm so thrilled with this garland. They're so expensive to buy, and when you think about it, you can buy the decorations really cheap and make your own gorgeous garland. The pink, blush pink butterflies were from TJ Hughes's, and they were £1.99 for a box of 3. So I got 6 of those, and I will be going back for more because I want them on my Christmas tree. And then that star that I'm just hanging on the bottom was from Georgia Asda, and that was £2. And I just think it brings it all together so nice. It's coming along lovely. I'm really happy. Then all those little crystal jewels that I've hung off the bottom were all purchased from the range, including the little glittery reindeers and the stars that are at the end. And I just used those little metal hoops that we use to hang baubles on the Christmas tree. I used those and stretched them out so I could get them all, because I wanted them to come into the V shape the same way that the front of the garland does. So yeah, that's what I've done. And then I bought packs of 4 in the icicle droplets from the range too, and I just put them in the centre of any gaps that were there, and they filled it out lovely.
It's a cold night, baby.
And that's my Christmas garland. I had a hot chocolate that I haven't even drank because I was that busy making the garland. So I'm going to pop that in the microwave, warm it up and enjoy it. Really hope that you've enjoyed this video. And yeah, it took me probably an hour to make. I secured the garland with command hooks, as you already know. And yeah, that's it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more Christmas decorating. I'm going to do the kitchen cabinets, I've got the stair garland to do, and I've got the lounge Christmas tree. So I've still got lots of decorating videos to come as well. So yeah, that's it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Have a lovely day whatever you are doing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.